Reflecting on our journey. The annual report is the mirror reflecting our collective efforts. To present this mirror of achievements, I would like to invite our respected Vice Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Asha Gupta Ma'am, the visionary leader, to share the highlights of our year.
A very good afternoon to our distinguished chief guest, Shri Ram Kripal Yadav, who will be arriving shortly. He is Minister of Agriculture, Government of Bihar. Our guest of honor, retired Home Secretary Jiyalal Arya, famous singer Rajneesh Kumar, famous classical singer, Chairman Dr. Anil Sulabh, Mrs. Kiran Jha, Secretary Dr. Akash Shah, Principal Mrs. Menka, Galaxy of dignitaries, diligent teachers, prospective parents, dear students, and our well-wishers. I take great pleasure in honoring all of you on this special occasion of our annual day celebration. I feel really honored to present the annual report of Patliputra Vidyapeeth for the academic year 2024-25. First and foremost, I would like to thank Almighty God for the blessings showered upon us. With all my affable greetings, I cordially welcome our Honorable Chairman, Dr. Anil Sulabh ji. Sir, you are a man with great vision. As a pioneer of this institution, your personal care, love and concern has nurtured this school to grow to its greater heights. We salute you with gratitude and extend you a hearty welcome. It is my pleasure to welcome my worthy parents, dignitaries who have joined us this evening to share some splendid moments of this evening. In witnessing the children perform and regale. Patliputra Vidyapeeth aims to be the center of excellence in education where seeds of all-round development of children are sown at an early stage. I, Vice Principal Asha Gupta, take immense pleasure and pride to present you a report of our activities and achievements for the past 1 year. Patliputra Vidyapeeth works for building trustworthy relations in all. It works for creating models of character and also works for creating an environment where all students believe in work for collective mission. The greatest human quest is to know about what one must do in order to become a human being. Here in Patliputra Vidyapeeth, through yoga, meditation, sports, and all its working methods, we create the habit of self-awareness, self-motivation, and selflessness, which prove stepping stone in their ultimate journey of becoming enlightened human beings. Success is the result of hard work and dedication combined with desire to excel. The most valuable resource that any school can have is its staff. The school collectively has an enthusiastic and dedicated team of teachers in secondary, middle and primary department. In addition, we have non-teaching and support staff. Their coordination with each other is what enables the school to function smoothly and grow with new perspectives. As many of you know, Patliputra Vidyapeeth was established 18 years back with an aim of providing quality education of global standard. It was started in adjoining building with few students only. In these years, the school has progressed in leaps and bounds. Its own campus was inaugurated in August 2022 and today it proudly stands in front of you with a grand infrastructure. The school building is equipped with all modern facilities like smart classrooms, labs of different subjects, music, dance, art room, uninterrupted water and power supply, CCTV surveillance, etc. We have swimming pool and sports complex where our students prepare to play at national apart from district and inter-school level. There is facility for indoor and outdoor games like swimming, table tennis, badminton, judo, chess, football, kho-kho, volleyball, etc. The school has covered many more areas for SMS services like absenteeism, homework, non-participation in classwork learning, irregularities in work, etc. To ensure effective cooperation and communication with parents, we have our own app on mobile, School Bell, on which all messages are promptly delivered. The year started with board exam result. We had 100% result and more than 75% of students got first division. Competition and activities go beyond the textbook, and classrooms encourage and foster a healthy and competitive spirit in the students. These activities are conducted at classroom level and inter-school level. Competitions were also held for poetry recitation, debate, English and Hindi elocution, GK and maths quiz. Prizes are awarded during assembly. Co-curricular and extracurricular activities are essential part of life of an educational institution as they strengthen classroom learning and develop the personality of child. These activities are conducted housewise throughout the year. Some of these events are fancy dress competition, rakhi making, rangoli, diya making, best out of waste, poster making, as well as dance competitions. It is said that you must practice like you never won and perform like you never lost. When students are physically fit, they will achieve more academically. Games and sports develop a sense of friendliness among children and build their team spirit. Bearing this in mind, the school provides ample opportunities for students to perform regular exercises and yoga. Many students have participated in various events like chess, kabaddi, kho-kho at inter-school level and have brought laurels for the school. Life is a celebration. We just need persons to celebrate it. National festivals like Independence Day, Republic Day was celebrated with patriotic songs and dances. Religious festivals like Eid, Diwali, Guru Nanak, Christmas are celebrated throughout the year. The school also gives due recognition to significant global events and celebrates these days. Some of these events are Labor Day, International Women's Day, Yoga Day, Hindi Divas, etc. Before I conclude, let me assure you that though our students engage themselves in co-curricular and life skill activities, top priority is given to academic performance. Extra classes, periodic test, revision test, class test, assignments, project work, term exams, keep them busy throughout the year. I render thanks to our principal, management, our teaching and non-teaching staff and my students and parents who have been with us in all our activities with maximum support and cooperation. With this, I conclude the report. Thank you.